Good day, viewers all over the world. This is example 5 under probability. I've done example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, and this is example 5. Now, how do we go about this? The question says, two fair dice are tossed. Find the probability that the total score that shows up is 8. That is the first question. The total score that shows up is less than 6. C, greater than or equals to 9. Then D, a prime number. Now, in this case, we have two fair dice. Okay? And these two fair dice cast or tossed. And the question says we have to find the total score that shows up is what is 8, less than 6, greater than or equals to 9, and a prime number. So in this case, we need to have a cost tabulation table. Okay, let me manage this case. We have solution. Let's say we have we need to have a table. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you add them together. So 1 plus 1, this is called tabulation or table. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. 1 plus 2 will give you 3. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. 1 plus 4 will give you what? 5. 1 plus 5 will give you 6. 1 plus 6 will give you 7. Then 2 plus 1 will give you 3. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 2 plus 3 will give you what? Will give you 5. 2 plus 5 will give you 6, 7, 8. So this one is going to give you what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this plus this will give you 5. 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then the last one, 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is what? Is 7. 6 plus 2 is what? Is 6 plus 2, that is 8. 6 plus 3, that is what? 9. We have 10. We have 11. Then we have what? We have 12. So after that, you calculate the sample space, that is the possible outcome. So tell us that let X be the sample, sorry, be the sample space. So we are going to have S. So what is the sample space for this now? S be the sample space. Then the cardinality of this one is going to be 36. If they add them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So that is the sample space at 36. Then the question says find the probability that the total score shows up is what? Is 8. So you can tell us that let E what? E1 be the event that the the total score, the total score that shows up is what? Is 8. So for us to calculate the probability of this one, now we have PR of E1 equals to N E of 1 over what? N of S. Now, what is NE1? N of E1 is what? Is the, what do you call it? The total score that shows up is what? Is 8, which is what? We have, let's go, let's count it. The total score that shows up is 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have it to be 5. We have it to be 5. Then divided by what? The total possible output, which is what? Which is 36. So that is the solution to question number what? The first question, which is A, letter A. Then B, the total score that show up is less than 6. So you are going to tell you that let E2 be the event that the total score that shows up is what? Is less than what? Less than 6. Now let us go. We have E less than 6. We have E2 equal to less than 6. We have, what is it? Less than 6. We have N of E2 then equals to less than 6. Then look at those numbers that are less than 6. We have 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are 10. They are the numbers that are less than 6. That is, we said the total score that shows up is less than 6. So you just go wherever you see 5, you can't see this out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total score shows up that is less than 6 is 10. Therefore, the probability of this guy now will be E of 2 equals to what? N bracket what? E2 over what? E2 over N of X. And what is E2? That is the total score that show up less than 6, which is what? 10. Then over what? Over 36. Something can still go. 2 in this one is going to be 5, and 2 in this one is going to be what? Going to be 18. So you leave it like that. Then what's the next question? We are to find greater than or equals to 9. Greater than or equals to 9. Greater than or equals to 9. So that is C. C we have let E. We have done E2 now. Let E3 be the event that the total score shows up is what? Is greater than or greater than or less than what? Okay, sorry, greater than or equals to greater than or equals to what? Equals to 9. Now, how do we consider this? So we have N E of what? E of 3. Now, let's look at the total score that show up greater than or equals to 9. So you consider from 9 upward, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total score that show up that is what? Less than or greater than equals to 9 is what? Is 10. We have it as 10. Therefore, the probability of the total score greater than or equals to 9 is going to be E E what? E3 divides what? N of S. And what is E3 is what? Is 10, which is what? The required outcome. Then divided by what? The possible outcome, which is what? N of X, which is 36. So at the same time, you can see this one will give you 5, and this one will give you 18. Is that it? Now let's go again. Okay, the last one, which is the total score that show up is what is a prime number. Now let's go. You can see let E4 be the event that the total score that shows up is a what? Is a what? A prime number. That is the last question. Is a prime number. And let's have that. We have E4 equals to, now let's look at the prime number. Prime number 2 is the prime number 1. 2 is the prime number 3 is the prime number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 is the prime number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. Okay, then the probability of the total score that shows up is the prime number is going to be n of E4 over what? N of ES equals what? The total score that shows up is the prime number is going to be 15 over what? Over 36. Something can do. 3 here is going to be 5. 3 here is going to be 12. So that is the answer to this question. Please always follow for the other examples.